On the Border Watch, the trial has started in the case of an Arizona rancher who's accused of killing an undocumented immigrant on his property. Rachel Louise Just is joining us here in studio to explain day one of that trial.
It's a case making international news as the issue of the U.S.-Mexico border and the people crossing it continue to catch the eye of the world. In court Friday, 75-year-old George Allen Kelly facing 1 count of second-degree murder and 1 count of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. He's rejected a plea deal that would have downgraded his charges. Now he faces a jury.
State of Arizona versus George Allen Kelly.
Kelly's charges stemming from a January 30th, 2023 incident.
Out of nowhere, a barrage of semi-automatic assault rifle fire comes their direction.
48-year-old Mexican citizen Gabriel Cohen was found dead from a gunshot wound on Kelly's 170-acre property near Nogales, about a mile from the border.
They're walking, and Daniel sees Gabriel just a few feet ahead of him get hit in the back with the assault rifle fire, and he sees him grab his chest and say, "I'm hit," and he sees him fall in front of him and die.
Cohen was unarmed. Prosecutors say he'd crossed the border to look for work and was walking about a football field's distance away from where Kelly was at.
We know he was shot in the back.
On Friday, Kelly's lawyer painting a picture of the border in the weeks and months leading up to the incident.
There's drugs in this area. There's human trafficking in this area. There are other things going on besides family groups coming through here.
Kelly's case inspiring legislation right here in Arizona. Republican Representative Justin Heat proposing a change to the state's castle doctrine that would give legal leeway to Arizonans who kill a trespasser on their property if they believe their life is in danger. Currently, the law only covers people inside their home.
This is an amendment to essentially fix that loophole, because we've had several cases, and unfortunately an increasing number of cases, as we're seeing increasingly larger numbers of migrants or human traffickers moving across farm and ranch land.
Heap specifically citing border ranchers and their experiences as the reason for his proposed change. That bill was approved along party lines in the House. It's since been sent to the Senate. This is expected to be a long trial, expected to last until April 19th. For ABC 15's political team, I'm Rachel Louise Just.